In primetime news this evening, police seek two in connection with rape of 8-year-old. Long weekend test. Players in ENDS program list successes and challenges. And cops get tough on persons in breach of curfew orders. Good evening and welcome to this Easter Monday edition of Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. There's primetime sports, sports commentary, and weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what was your experience with the e-commerce national delivery system ENDS over the holiday weekend? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.